Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy ICH3 Tech coming to you guys with another video. This is an unboxing of the Motorola Z4. The reason why I got this phone, hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy ICH3 Tech coming to you guys with another video. This is an unboxing of the Motorola Z4. The reason why I got this phone because I want to try to do something a little different on this channel. I'm trying to see about having budget phones or not well priced phones, see how it compare to making videos of vlogging and also shooting videos on it. This is one of the phones I had. I wanted to grab because it just came out. You could do some mods to it, so I'm trying to see if I can use some of the Moto mods because I don't see too many people getting the Moto mods and using them and see how to use them. But this is going to be a real review coming up. But this is basically just quick unboxing, just showing you guys what I got. But for the time being, I was using the little brother. I'm gonna say this one was just a Motorola, I think E4 or something like that. I was using this for the time being just to see what it's like to use like a non-premium phone. For people that want to have like their kids or anything else, I'm gonna shoot a video on this because this thing right here, I give it to my daughter and she plays with it a lot, and this would be something like for that. But like for a premium user or hard user, I wouldn't use this. But it got me by some things, but we're gonna get right out of this because we're gonna get straight to this. But like I said before, sorry guys, I ain't been shooting videos. I've been working and trying to get things together with my business and trying to get this great content for you. Sorry, the camera that I'm using right now, I'm still using my old camera that I used to use before. Still shooting 1080p, but I'm going to try to get you guys updated with a new one. I'm trying to get the 4K one. I'm trying to upgrade a lot of things for you guys and also trying to run a business. But let's get right into it. Let's unbox this thing. Now, this one comes... it sells for 100. It's 128 gig Motorola Z4. Basically, I like the content on it. Verizon always have their phones with red and everything else. Hello, Moto. One of the things you got here, I guess you could do the little barcode thing there. But one thing I've seen on this one, other than the new old model one, it had the power button was like the fingerprint scanner, but now it got that in fingerprint sensor right inside here. So that's the new things. But it come with this screen protector on it. I am going to upgrade and get the new screen protector and stuff. But this is my first time having a phone with a camera bump in the front. So I mean, this is a clean look. This is my first time using a Moto thing. Oh, we still got a headphone jack. Still got a headphone jack in there. Let's see if we can get that. The focus on there. We got a USB type C. That was one thing I wanted to make sure to see if it had. Speakers up top, mic, and also SIM tray. Let me see, it got speakers on the bottom. Yeah, it just got a mic down the bottom, but the speakers up top. I want to see about like gaming on this because the processor and everything on this phone is pretty deep. It got a decent processor on here, and camera. I heard the camera quality was pretty decent, but I'm gonna just like I said before, I'm doing front camera vlogging and back camera vlogging just to show you guys how it's about. So let's put that to the side, see what else we get in. We just get some guides here. Oh wait, it opened up like a pretty much like an iPhone case thing. So you get your SIM card tray remover, you get your safety guides, just like Flaw said, plug them and file them. We'll put those to the side. It comes with a USB type C. I have a long one, so I'm not going to bother with this one. I think this comes with a fast charger because it's supposed to have a turbo charge or something like that with this one. Actually, yes, right in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think it will pull up. Let me see if we get a great look at it. Turbo charge. I'm gonna try to use this one because let me see what the wattage is on this. I'm trying to get you guys so you can see with it too. The wattage on this is a 12 volt. So we're gonna see how we're gonna test this out too, see how fast it charge up. But you guys, I'm just trying to get that to clear up for you guys. Come on, focus for me. Usually it focus for me, but like I said before, I use this camera in a long time. I usually use my phone to shoot everything because I wanted, like I said before, testing out everything. But this all it comes in. You know, it comes in with the phone, the two things, no earbuds or anything else like that. So I might be testing the Beats AirPods. I call them the Beats AirPods because pretty much they are the AirPods. But guys, let me know your thoughts, your comments below, what y'all want to see, review, and everything else on this phone. Basically, we're just putting this out there just to make a quick unboxing video on this. I'm gonna set it up, come back to you guys after I set it up and see what's going on, and we just gonna give a quick overview after setting up. But be right back. Let me set it up. All right, guys, I'm back from setting up. The first thing they have you doing is you got to do an update on your software. I want to try to change these buttons. I'm gonna try to see if I can change that, but you swipe up to go to all your apps. That's one of the things. Okay, so check settings. So the settings is pretty simple. I know with the Android, you got Android 9. Yeah, you got Android 9 you running on here, so I think that one is Pi. I didn't look at the Android for a minute because, like I said before, you running like an older Android software on that one, on this one. I'm trying to see. I got you used to this, but this screen and the size of the screen is actually pretty awesome. I don't know if y'all can see here, but you might can see like the display color. I mean, I don't think the display is like a really, up-to-date, awesome display, but one of the things I just wanted to get to is, I know you could use Android Pay and stuff like that, so that was one of the things I wanted to have on here, so I could have the opportunity to use Android Pay. But we're gonna test out how fast the finger. Let's see. Takes a minute. So maybe I got to program to my finger for a minute because I just did it. So it happened pretty quick. So I know that give you the camera. You shake it that way. Oh, you got new methods now. Okay. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna take a quick photo real quick of here. Let's see how good the photo is on this. Oh wait, it's loading. It's pretty bright. You know what I mean? The camera is actually pretty decent. Like I said before, I'm gonna do a little bit more things on this phone. I got this phone, so like I said before, so I could, actually see what kind of budget phone that you could use to, for your daily life. Like I said before, this thing got like 100 and something gigabytes on storage. And storage on this thing. So let's check it out with the storage, so we can see. Yeah, so I got 128 gigs of storage on board, but the other ones are for like apps and stuff like that. So it comes with 120 gig, which is good. Which is real good, so you can free up space. I guess this is like their own little backup thing. You get a, see here. So one of the things I'm gonna play with a little bit because this is, like I said before, it's my first time ever using it. I want to see how the front face camera look. Oh, what's it? Something else. What the heck did I just go into? See, I gotta get used to this phone. I have to play with it a little bit to see how it's like. I know I'm gonna flip it to see how the front camera look. Oh wow. I'm gonna play with this, but the front camera actually looked pretty decent. So I probably can see myself vlogging with this. Actually, the front camera looked pretty decent. I'll probably show a little more, but you could do YouTube live, slow-mo, time-lapse, light filter, so basically like to change your face and stuff, the crop. I'm actually going to put a 256 gig SD card in here, just to see how it runs with like taking pictures and photos, and because I use a Mac computer, so this stuff got to upload to the Mac computer and everything else like that. So you guys, let me know your thoughts, what you feel about this phone. I know there's a lot of reviews and unboxing on this phone already, but I'm gonna do a real review. Someone to just play with these phones, these budget phones, to the top of the line phones, from from the bottom to the top. I'm gonna play with them, see what I like, what I don't like. You guys let me know in the comments below if you want to see more. But thanks for watching. I'm getting back into it, so you're gonna see a lot more content, a lot more stuff is coming out, a lot more phones are coming out, and I'm gonna try to get them for you guys. And keep supporting the channel. Videos coming up. I'm actually about to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I also got merch now. So Teespring, you'll see that link below. So support the channel, hit the link down there, support the channel, and then like I said before, there's gonna be a hashtag that I want you guys to use in Instagram, hashtag ICH3Tech, and do that there and show me what you got. But excuse me, long day today, but this your boy ICH3Tech coming to you guys with a video on the Motorola. So you guys let me know what you think. Like I said before, sorry about that. Keep going, babbling. But catch you on the next video. Peace.